Alright, we're using two bronzer shades, Golden Light and a Deep. Golden Light's going to be her all over bronzer shade. It's going to help to match the face down to the neck. Sometimes a lot of people, if you use SPF, your face is lighter than your neck. So we're going to blend the two colors together.
Nice.
I like a nice fluffier brush, and you want to start from the outside in. With a fluffier brush, you get better control and less deposit of color. So that means you can go light, you can go heavy, whatever you want.
And it's more forgiving.
Exactly.
In case you're not so experienced using a big fluffy brush, start with that, because then you can kind of
build up your bronzer. Like this. And then just a little bit on the neck, because your neck has a tan. Fantastic. Now the darker shade. The darker shade, we're going to do a little bit of contouring. I'm using a different brush. And you're going to start right where the cheekbone goes in, right there. Start out light. And blend it up. I'm also going to take a little bit of contour right along here. Look straight at the camera, and you can see the difference.
That is warm and pretty.
I'm going to turn this way. We'll do the same thing. Again, right with the bone. It's great when we do it in this direction. You can see with that highlighter that I put, that's going to shine there.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, and it's not taking off the highlighter. You can still see it beautifully.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Just a touch more. Mm-hmm.